evening, folks. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today is a nice day here in the Chicagoland area. We have a 2016, had to catch myself, Chrysler Town & Country with 22,000 miles. It's a Braun Ability wheelchair handicap van. You can see with 22,000 miles, the body's in impeccable shape here. No dents, no dings, no big scratches. Here's the wheel. Unlike most handicap accessible vans, this one does come loaded. A lot of them come kind of bare. This one has obviously your power windows, locks, tilt, cruise and air, Bluetooth. It has the DVD. Beautiful leather. Open the side here. Power sliding doors on both sides. Just the condition of the floor is ridiculous. Nice side entertainment here. I'm going to go ahead and open up the side so you can take a look at that. Oops, sorry. There you go. Let's bring that back up. Shuts and we're all good. It's a bit sunny here, so I apologize for some of the distortions. You have sunroof. Only 22,000 miles, and yes, it is low on gas, but we will not sell it on empty. We do have to go fill it up. If you have any questions on this vehicle, feel free to contact us at 847-228-1900. We do offer financing on Braun Ability vehicles, and 50% of our vehicles are shipped out of state. And this can be shipped straight to your doorstep. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day.